Who wrote the book, Wings of Fire? Answer. APJ Abdul Kalam. Wings of Fire is an autobiography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the former President of India. Who is the author of The God of Small Things? Answer. Arundhati Roy. Arundhati Roy won the Booker Prize for this novel in 1997. Which famous Indian leader wrote Discovery of India? Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru. Discovery of India is a famous work by Jawaharlal Nehru written during his imprisonment. The Argumentative Indian is a book written by. Answer. Amartya Sen. This book is a collection of essays by the Nobel laureate Amartya Sen. Who is the author of A Brief History of Time? Answer. Stephen Hawking. This popular science book discusses the nature of the universe. Who wrote the novel Train to Pakistan? Answer. Khushwant Singh. This novel is set during the partition of India in 1947. Who is the author of My Experiments with Truth? Answer. Mahatma Gandhi. This is the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi, covering his life up to 1921. Which author wrote Glimpses of World History? Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru. This book is a collection of letters written by Nehru to his daughter Indira Gandhi. Who wrote the famous play, Hamlet? Answer. William Shakespeare. Hamlet is one of Shakespeare's most well-known tragedies. Who is the author of To Kill a Mockingbird? Answer. Harper Lee. This novel, published in 1960, deals with serious issues like racial inequality. Who wrote The Alchemist? Answer. Paulo Coelho. The Alchemist is a novel that has been translated into many languages worldwide. Pride and Prejudice is written by which author? Answer. Jane Austen. This novel explores the themes of love and social standing in 19th century England. Which author wrote 1984? Answer. George Orwell. 1984 is a dystopian novel exploring the dangers of totalitarianism. Who wrote the book The Prince? Answer. Niccolo Machiavelli. The Prince is a political treatise by the Italian diplomat, politician, and philosopher. Who is the author of The Jungle Book? Answer. Rudyard Kipling. This is a collection of stories set in the Indian jungle. A Passage to India was written by. Answer. E.M. Forster. This novel explores the tensions between the British and Indians during colonial rule. Who wrote Malgudi Days? Answer. R.K. Narayan. Malgudi Days is a collection of short stories set in the fictional town of Malgudi. Which Indian author wrote The Guide? Answer. R.K. Narayan. This novel tells the story of a tourist guide who becomes a spiritual guide. Who is the author of The Great Indian Novel? Answer. Shashi Tharoor. This novel is a satirical take on the Indian epic, the Mahabharata. Who wrote the novel Gone with the Wind? Answer. Margaret Mitchell. This novel is set during the American Civil War and is famous for its depiction of the South. The Glass Palace was written by. Answer. Amitav Ghosh. This historical novel is set in Burma and India during the Second World War. Who is the author of The Old Man and the Sea? Answer. Ernest Hemingway. Hemingway won the Pulitzer Prize for this novel in 1953. War and Peace was written by which famous Russian author? Answer. Leo Tolstoy. This epic novel is set against the backdrop of Napoleon's invasion of Russia. Who wrote The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes? Answer. Arthur Conan Doyle. Sherlock Holmes is one of the most famous fictional detectives. Midnight's Children was authored by. Answer. Salman Rushdie. This novel won the Booker Prize and the Booker of Bookers for its contribution to literature. Who is the author of Gulliver's Travels? Answer. Jonathan Swift. This novel is a satirical take on human nature and society. Which author wrote Les Miserables? Answer. Victor Hugo. This French novel is one of the greatest works of the 19th century. Who wrote The Catcher in the Rye? Answer. J.D. Salinger. This novel is a classic of modern American literature. Who is the author of The Tale of Two Cities? Answer. Charles Dickens. This historical novel is set in London and Paris during the French Revolution. Who wrote the book India Wins Freedom? Answer. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. This autobiography details Azad's role in the Indian freedom struggle. Oliver Twist was written by. Answer. Charles Dickens. This novel highlights the plight of the poor in 19th century London. Who is the author of The Communist Manifesto? Answer. Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels. This political document is a foundational text of the communist movement. The Hunchback of Notre Dame was authored by. Answer. Victor Hugo. This novel is set in the Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris. Who wrote The Three Musketeers? Answer. Alexander Dumas. This novel is a classic adventure story set in 17th century France. Who is the author of Crime and Punishment? Answer. Fyodor Dostoevsky. This novel is a psychological exploration of crime, guilt, and redemption. The Invisible Man was written by. Answer. H.G. Wells. This science fiction novel explores the consequences of becoming invisible. Who wrote Panchatantra? Answer. Vishnu Sharma. Panchatantra is an ancient Indian collection of interrelated animal fables. Who is the author of Atlas Shrugged? Answer. Ayn Rand. This novel presents Rand's philosophy of objectivism. Moby Dick was authored by. Answer. Herman Melville. This novel tells the story of Captain Ahab's obsessive quest to kill the white whale. Who wrote The Merchant of Venice? Answer. William Shakespeare. This play is one of Shakespeare's most famous comedies. Who is the author of Robinson Crusoe? Answer. Daniel Defoe. This novel is about a castaway who spends 28 years on a remote island. The Adventures of Tom Sawyer was written by. Answer. Mark Twain. This novel is a classic of American literature and depicts childhood adventures. Who wrote the book The Story of My Life? Answer. Helen Keller. This autobiography details Keller's experiences overcoming the challenges of being deaf and blind. Who is the author of David Copperfield? Answer. Charles Dickens. This novel is often considered Dickens' most autobiographical work. The Great Gatsby was authored by. Answer. F. Scott Fitzgerald. This novel is a critical social commentary on the American dream. Who wrote The Scarlet Letter? Answer. Nathaniel Hawthorne. This novel explores the theme of sin and redemption in Puritan New England. Who is the author of The Call of the Wild? Answer. Jack London. This novel is set during the Klondike Gold Rush and follows a domesticated dog's return to the wild. Jane Eyre was written by. Answer. Charlotte Bronte. This novel is a classic of English literature, exploring themes of love, morality, and social class. Who wrote Uncle Tom's Cabin? Answer. Harriet Beecher Stowe. This anti-slavery novel had a profound effect on attitudes toward African Americans and slavery in the U.S. Who is the author of Anna Karenina? Answer. Leo Tolstoy. This novel is one of Tolstoy's masterpieces, exploring themes of love, family, and morality. Around the World in 80 Days was authored by. Answer. Jules Verne. This adventure novel follows Phileas Fogg's race against time to circumnavigate the globe. Who wrote The Picture of Dorian Gray? Answer. Oscar Wilde. This novel explores themes of aestheticism, moral corruption, and vanity. Who is the author of Sense and Sensibility? Answer. Jane Austen. This novel explores the lives and loves of the Dashwood sisters. The Kite Runner was written by. Answer. Khaled Hosseini. This novel is set in Afghanistan and explores themes of guilt, redemption, and friendship. Who wrote The Chronicles of Narnia? Answer. C.S. Lewis. This series of fantasy novels is among the most popular children's literature. Who is the author of Alice's Adventures in Wonderland? Answer. Lewis Carroll. This novel is a classic of English literature, famous for its whimsical and fantastical elements. The Hobbit was written by. Answer. J.R.R. Tolkien. This novel is a precursor to The Lord of the Rings and follows the adventures of Bilbo Baggins. Who wrote the book Beloved? Answer. Toni Morrison. This novel is a powerful exploration of slavery and its impact on individuals and families. Who is the author of The Canterbury Tales? Answer. Geoffrey Chaucer. This collection of stories is considered one of the greatest works of English literature. The Sun Also Rises was written by answer Ernest Hemingway. This novel is one of Hemingway's early works and is considered a quintessential piece of modernist literature.